Here it is, a volcano eruption with a can of soda. That's right, a volcano eruption with a can of soda. Looks like it's going to take some time before this volcano eruption occur. See what'll happen time after time with a can of soda. I got another can of soda that I left in the freezer for too long. See what'll happen from there. Let's see, will it become like a volcano eruption? You never know until we find out if this will be a volcano eruption. While it's doing that, let's see what'll happen after taking it out of the freezer after a long time. Will it be a volcano eruption? Here it is. Here it comes. A volcano eruption with a can of soda. Not enough light. Here it is. Hopefully again it'll be a false alarm with this volcano eruption. While it's doing that, let's see if this is a volcano eruption with a can of soda. See if this is it. A volcano eruption with a can of soda. That's right, a volcano eruption with a can of soda. Think I'm gonna need more light to shine it. Let's see, will it be a volcano eruption here? Here it is. And it looks like it's erupting right now. It's gonna bubble over. That's right. See if it's happening.